Alright, it's William Jumping. Welcome to my channel. So recently have a very interesting idea. Just hear me out. So I think a news that is about a different rendering results depending on the hardware. Okay, so basically the game is like a stem, like a core of the render origin. And according to the graphic card of your own computer, and it can render according to some diffusion model maybe, and they can based on this stern model and render result according to the stern model. So basically, it's like we got a original video, and it's basically a video to video like style change. Okay, and you can change the style of your game, change the style, the rendering style of the game according to the original game. And it's a very interesting idea, I think. So basically, if you're playing a game, say maybe Witcher, okay, and you're playing is like a realistic style, but you don't want that style, okay? You say, hey, I want to change this gameplay experience to a cartoonish style. You can use that. You can use the original game, and you can render that like locally using your computer and specific algorithm that you choose, and sort of a style transfer to another style game. It's a very, very interesting concept, and I want to talk a little bit more about this, because if you think about this, it's amazing. You just need to get a specific original thing, and you can store different algorithm that you fine-tuned locally on your computer, and you can sort of apply this algorithm to whatever medium, whatever product you bought on your computer, and you can sort of transfer and change the style to suit your needs. It's like a customized game, but instead of like change or customize the original, like the stem, the core results, you can use your own AI model as sort of filter and treat all this game output as a video and mask all this video with the specific filter that you're fine-tuned for pretty much everything. So this is a concept. I think maybe this will be your personalized filter that you can install and train that, and then sort of nurturing it locally on a computer, and you can use that whenever you need. And through this, I think I want create a new concept about the democratization of customization. Okay, so basically you can work hard, earn more money, buy more powerful graphic card or train better algorithm, and you can have a better experience even though it's the same product that the company or a game developer provide. You can have this same sort of transfer as to your own need, and even change it. So basically, I think it's kind of give the power to you. Okay, so that's the reason I use that democratized, because it's kind of a distribute the power to you, like bring the power back to you, and you have more say of how you want to play the game, or how you want to read things. So for example, if you like go to a specific website like New York Times or something like that, you want to read the story or you want to read the news, you don't need to like follow a specific order. You don't want go to the like homepage and then click like the first 3 articles because that's all the time we have for one day for read all this. You can use your customized model, and this model is it's trained by you, and you know it's unbiased. It suits your needs. It knows your interest, and you can just crawl the whole, say, New York Times, or maybe the whole internet, and bring out and pick the information that you need, and then you can even summarize it, and then you can read it. And this way, I think it's safer to rely on third party or others model, because it can be biased. As I said in my previous video, I think all this, because AI is so developed right now, all this data maybe just completely change how we interact with information. And all the information is just become accurate, become a transient information that can show and then disappear. We don't want that. Okay, I personally don't want the future to be rely on transient, unreliable third-party information. I want like a locally, you're nurtured, you're trained, and you know what's going on. You want that specific model, offline even. So like online information, go through an offline customized filter, and then filter information to you. I think that's the better way, and democratized and have more control way of dealing with information. That's what I thought. That's a kind of a vision that I have according to a game. I think it's a really interesting concept, and I want to recall this concept, recall this like transient thought that I have, and make a video and share with you guys. Okay, thanks, bye.